Anchology is complete coordination of mind, body and spirit. In 10 sessions you'll feel better. In 20 sessions you'll look better. In 30 sessions you'll have a whole new body. Breathing is the first act of life, and the last. The last, our very life depends on it. Change happens through movement, and movement heals. It is the mind itself which builds the body. These are words from the Pilates inventor himself, Joseph Pilates.